Weekend Modder here with a quick send-in service proof video for Stephen K. of California. Stephen, this is the Corona V1, so it's 16 megabyte that did not require a postfix adapter. We RGH'd it using an ACE V3 and its standard timing file, so it's not the CR4 speedup because that standard ACE V3 works really well in these consoles. The disk on the top here has your original NAND dumps, CPU key, Freestyle Dash, backups of software, good stuff. As you can see, blue LEDs and nice fast boot times. We've got the console configured automatically to boot up into Freestyle Dashboard, but again, Dash Launch, XEX menu, and Aurora Dash are all present as well. Be sure to check out the additional video links that come in your final confirmation email. There's a link to a playlist that's really useful, as well as to a quick little video by me that'll walk you through how to navigate between the various software tools that we've loaded for you. So thanks for your business. We'll get this thing packed up, and it will head out Monday, tomorrow, your direction. Thanks again.